Good morning. My name is Harshvardhan R, and I'm from Savita Engineering College. So I'm doing my second year, and we are going to talk group discussion on a topic called impacts on jobs due to technology. So technology has made a number of traditional jobs redundant. For example, ATMs replace some bank jobs. The new waves of technologies like automation and artificial intelligence is a threat to many jobs. There is an impact of technology on employment opportunities in almost every sector. So this GD group discussion topic, impacts of technology on jobs, is one of the most trending topics among GD. So this is my friend Harshvardhan Naidu, and he's going to talk about. Mm, बात कर.
Hello, I'm here to talk about the positive impacts of technologies on the job. The technology innovation result in a improved lifestyles and hence the consumerism increases and thereby result in more employment opportunity. For example, industrial revolution created more jobs than it eliminated. If we take the example of 3D printing technology, building houses by 3D printing is a great technological innovation. Eventually, it will result some job losses in the construction industry, at least in the starting. But this innovation will be in creating more affordable homes and more people maybe want to buy a house, and so with the more consumers, more house will be built, and hence it will create a many jobs by a different of kind. Hence, we'll go to next topic. Next point. The technology increases productivity and hence the reduces the burden on the workers and eliminates the burden of doing respective tasks. For these workers need to learn some skills to stay employed, and it's just that a worker should be given a training for a newly created jobs, and we can take advantage of the impact of the technology on the jobs. Due to technology, demand for technical skilled youth is increasing and hence more job available for educated youth. You can solve the problem of educated unemployment of some extent. The technology helps in the growing of economy. Companies that use the technology will save much money by replacing the human labor with the technological innovation, and thereby expand their services, and as a result create more jobs. More employees will be added to the economy and more revenue by the taxes will come to the government. So there will be economic growth. This economic growth can be utilized by the government to create more employment opportunity with a better pay. The technology have the potential to create the large scale jobs in a rural and hence address the rural unemployment. Till now the jobs with a better pay are concentrated in urban. So my friend will talk about the negative impacts of the technology on the jobs. I'm
Yes,
passing on to him.
but the immediate result of new technologies will be job losses because some jobs will become redundant. Machines and automation are replacing low skilled workers. If any company do not replace human labor by technology, it is susceptible to losses due to heavy competition from other companies which use technology. So it is inevitable for companies to catch up with the technologies. In this process, low skilled workers will be the first section to be removed from the jobs. As a consequence of that, income inequalities are further widening. Now, not just the low skill and semi skilled jobs, even high skilled jobs are at the threat due to a new wave of technology called the artificial intelligence. This can be reduce the employment opportunities available for technical skilled person. At present, gap in the career is worse than ever with changing and constantly improving technologies. This may force some women to stay at home after taking maternity leaves. Technical and advancement is forcing people to continuously update their knowledge to sustain in the job market. This can be too overwhelming for some to balance work and personal life. So, here I want to conclude that technologies change the nature of jobs, even though some jobs will become redundant. Technological advancement has the potential to create many more employment opportunities than it's eliminated. Continuous learning and updating the skill is the need of the hour. And I want to conclude by this thing.